says we love each other. We always love each other because we are family. Because we are family. We know where we know we're love among. And I know the day away.
Great job, Maddie.
Now you want me to say tomorrow I love you?
Sure.